everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make some clay. What you need for this is a giant bowl, some flour and water, and random scraps of paper. First, take your huge bowl and put your paper in there. I've been saving up a lot of paper. If you have fat strips like this, rip them up. You could also use shredded newspaper. I have a lot of different kinds of paper. See, this one's origami paper. This one's just regular paper that I colored on. This one just has some words on it. It says, me, I can toss it and throw it across from. I don't really know why I did that. This is from a coloring page. This is how much paper I have in my huge bowl. I have a glass of water here and I'm going to pour it all into my bowl until it completely covers it. Another cup. Here is half a glass. Into this one thing. So what I'm gonna do is kind of make it not like that. Make sure you do this under the water because it's easier. And now massage the paper in the water, poke it and stir it. This is what it looks like now. It's really chopped up. Now you want to let this sit for a very long time. Probably overnight, but if you have 6 to 7 hours still left in your day, then you should be good. For example, my kitchen stove says 1:48, and this is at night, obviously, 1:48 p.m. So what we're going to do is wait until 7 or 8 o'clock to do this. If it's too late, in the night, if it's 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock, then you might want to leave it overnight. So I'll see you later. So now it's 2:30 on the same day. This is what it looks like. What I did here was I poured all the water out, and then clumped it all into, I got most of the water out. And so what I'm going to do now is put some flour in there. That's going to make it clumped up. And it is still a little bit, it's clumpy a little bit, but we're going to fix that with the flour. Whatever feels like the right amount for you, just put it in like that. Grab a fork, mix it. Once you're done with that, form it into a shape and then let it dry for 2 days. It may not dry in a 2-day span, but you can let it dry for as long as you want, but it will need 2 to at least a week. 2 days to a week. It's still wet and it's the same day. I hope that you like this video and please subscribe to join the fun family. And I'll see you guys next time. Oh, and the question of the day is, Do you like making stuff out of clay? If so, click the like button. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!